Want to create full 3D cartoon animations completely free with perfect character consistency and buttery smooth lip sync? Today, I'm showing you the exact 2026 AI workflow that thousands of creators are secretly using, and the best part, zero budget required. Stay until the end. This is life-changing video. Let's jump in.
First up, we need a story, or whatever content you want to create. In this video, we're making a story because this niche is going viral on YouTube right now. And we're going to do everything using Grok AI, from the script all the way to the video. So go to Grok AI using the link in the description below, click it, sign up for free, and once you're in, this is what your dashboard will look like. In here, we're asking Grok to do two things. First, give us a full, long-form script. I am choosing the following story. Write a complete 60-second Pixar-style script for a magical adventure called The Lumina Bloom, A Glimmer of Hope, inspired by Frozen. The script should focus on Princess Aurelia overcoming her fear of her own light power to save her sister, Queen Isolde, from the shadowy Gloom Weavers. Here, I say write a complete 60-second. You can say up to 10 minutes or whatever you want. Then click here. The story is ready. Second, and this is the critical prompt, we need Grok to break that 60-second script down into 12 individual sequential scenes and provide a detailed, highly visual AI image prompt for each scene, ensuring the style is specified as Pixar 3D render for generating the visual assets. See the details here? Grok gives us professional-grade custom prompts that would normally take hours to write. Now we have our blueprint for 12 unlimited images. Now it's time to start creating the video, so pay close attention because this is the best part. I'm going to share all the tricks, hacks, and shortcuts. By the way, if you're new to the channel, my name is Mivumbi. Make sure to subscribe. All right, here's the process.
Okay, so this is going to be a Grok AI dashboard. So come here, you can come here, imagine. So we're going to click this one here. Once you're here, you see here, come here, imagine here. Sometimes yours might be video or image. So if it's video, change that to image, and then you come choose aspect ratio. We want this one 3:2, which is going to be a long form video for YouTube. Right, once we're here, so we're going to use this space here. We're going back to Grok AI, which you already have the scenes. So I'm going to copy this scene, the first scene for our video. I'm going to copy here. I'm coming back here and I'm going to paste here. And I'm going to click here, create. It's going to start to create image for us. Wow, this is the first image. We're going to choose here, see this one. So we're going to choose which image we want to use for this video. So let me check here which image is going to be good for us. So let me choose. Let's choose the first one. Okay, so this is going to be our first image here. We're going to animate this image. Okay, so you see it gives more image here. Oh, there's a more here. I like this. Let me see which one we can choose. I think this one is nice, isn't it? Yeah, let's choose this image here. And then this image now, you come here, create, make as a video. We want this one to be as a video. Okay, so this is our video. So I want to show you the hack here. You come here in the settings, click settings, and come here behavior, and come here enable automatic video generator. Okay, I will click this one here. Yours might be like this, so you need to turn it off. The reason we're doing that because usual when you put any image with Grok AI, it's going to do automatic video for you. We don't want that. We want to create the video according to the way we want our video to be. So this is the first one. Once you finish here, you can click this one. You can download your video. Now I'm going to do the second scene, which is this one here. You see this one here. We choose this one is our second scene. I'm copying this. Then I'm coming back here. I'm going to paste here. Okay, now we're going to click create. We want image for this. Okay, we're going to do our second scene here. I'm going to paste here, and I'm going to create here. I'm going to click this one. It's going to give us the image, and we're going to choose which image we want to animate to make as a video. Okay, so we got a lot of image here. Very nice, all of this image. So I'm going to choose one image here to use. So let me click this one here. Let's have a look at this one here. Yeah, so we're going to use this one. We're going to click this one is nice. Okay, so we're going to click here, make as a video, and I'm going to show you what we're going to do next. Right, this is our video. It looks very nice. Okay, you can come here, click download. So this video is going to be in your computer. So let me show you why you want to have a consistent character. So you see this lady here. So come here, let me pause this one here and drag this until the end. Okay, so you come here, right click, and come down here, copy video frame. We're going to copy that one, and once we copy here, we come down here, we're going to paste this image. We're going to use this image for our next prompt, which is going to be number 3. Our third prompt, let me see here. This is third here. So we're going to copy here. I'm going to copy this one here, and I'm going to copy this one here. Okay, and I'm going to click create. Is going to create another one, the second scene for us. So I'll do this, I'll create this, I'll do these steps until I finish all my 12 scene here. Can you see here? Sorry, can you see here? I'm going to do one by one until I finish my 12 scene. So if you have more than 12, maybe see your video is longer than 10 minutes, so you can do one by one, and after when you finish that, I'm going to show you how you can put all these scene in one long form video. Okay, so this is the next step I'm going to show you. So look, this is our second, this is our third scene. Look how nice it look. It is beautiful. So when you finish this one, you come and click here, download, and you come and do the same. You pause and come here until the end, and you come here, right click, and you come here. When you right click, this place you say copy video frame. So you copy that, and you come, you see here, now you can't do here. So I'm going to show you the trick. Once you, because sometimes some of you have been telling me it's like this and you can't go through. So you come back to imagine, and you come here and paste this one, and you go back to your fourth, this is fourth scene, which is this one here. I'm going to copy this one here, and I'm going to paste down here, and it's going to create. I'm clicking the same thing, I'm doing the same thing until I finish all my 12 scene. Once I finish this, I'm going to edit, I'm going to add all of this. We're going to put voiceover, and we're going to add all the story in one place. We're going to use CapCut. That's the next step.
Great! Now that we've finished creating all our scenes in Grok AI, it's time for next step of our process, adding the voiceover. For this, we'll use Google Studio AI. Just go to Google and type Google Studio AI, or use the link in the description. Here, we're going to take our full 60-second script, the narration we got from ChatGPT, and turn it into professional-sounding audio. Simply click Text-to-Speech with Gemini, choose Single Speaker Audio, paste your script into Google Studio AI, choose a voice you like, click Run, and generate the audio. It's fast, simple, and sounds amazing. Once we have the audio, we'll sync it with the scenes we created in Grok AI and get our full story video ready for YouTube. Perfect! Now that we have our audio ready, it's time to put the video together. For this, we're going to use CapCut, a free, easy-to-use video editor. Here's CapCut. CapCut lets us combine our AI-generated scenes from Grok AI with the narration we created in Google Studio AI. We can also add effects, transitions, and text if we want. Simply import all your scenes and the audio into CapCut, line them up to match the story, and adjust timing as needed. You'll see how quickly your 60-second story comes together. Once everything is synced perfectly, our story is ready to export. And then we can upload it to YouTube and start sharing it with the world.
That's it for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe to Easy Tutorials AI for more simple AI tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.